Hey guys, it's Derek with Big D's Coil Farmers again. Back with the frag tank build. Just a nano frag tank. All I'm running here is just a hang on the back filtration. I don't even have any filters in there. Just got a little bit of rock in there. Fresh water to keep the level, keep the salinity stable. This has been running for about 3 weeks now. I just have a cheap LED hanging from it right now. I will be upgrading the light eventually, but as of right now, this is what it is. Okay guys, all you'll need to set up your nano frag tank is you're just going to need, what I'm using is, I went to local hardware store and picked up a piece of this lay-in. You can find this in the electrical area by the lighting. And what I did is I took some snips and I cut out 2 pieces to fit in the tank. One's going to be lower, one's going to be higher. A little space in between, that way I can have flow in between the corals. Stick of PVC. So just a regular stick of PVC, 3/4 inch. What I did is I cut that with the PVC cutters, and then I went and I drilled holes through the PVC. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that to zip tie the lay-in, these zip ties here, to the PVC as like legs to hold it up. That way it's easier to take it out and clean and maintenance and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put one of these together and show y'all what it looks like, and stay tuned. Okay guys, I got this one put together. As you can see, I use zip ties. Just zip tied it to the PVC legs like so. Now I have the second level, which is going to be taller. I'm going to start working on now. Just using these black zip ties. You can get at your local hardware store, just cheap stuff on the dollar, you know. Always try to save a dollar here and there in the trade anytime you can, as far as stuff like this goes. So I'll show you what that looks like when we get this one finished up. Okay guys, just a quick look at the finished product. You know, one higher than the other, that way you know you can always put some coral that need a little more light a little higher up, and also allows, if you want to put any type of fish in there, they can swim back and forth or what have you underneath. Keep the tank clean. For a little mini frag tank, this will work. Okay guys, back to the frag tank. I went ahead and installed the racks in here now so you can see how they look, and put a couple small frags in here with soft coral, a couple brain corals, and 2 frags off an aquapora that I have. So this is the test. We're going to see how they do. Like I say, the lighting I have right now is just some LED strips, about 4 of those in there, but I will be upgrading the lighting soon. So we'll see how everything goes. Everything seemed to be growing okay originally underneath this light, a smaller tank that I had, so they should do okay until I get that new light in. But yep, there it is, frag tank. I did want to go ahead and just stick a pump in there until my power head comes in the mail. And there I did put a piece of live rock in there that's been you know, in my sump of my other reef tank that I have. So you know, for biological filter, and so, but yeah, there it is, the 12-gallon nano frag tank. Thanks for watching guys.